Western.
Welcome back to another video, guys. How we doing? We good? I hope we're doing nice. Today we're gonna be doing a pretty cool video. I know you guys might have heard of the song Old Town Road by Lil Nas X. It's pretty popular right now. Probably I think #1 on Billboard right now, and on country charts or something like that, which is kind of wild because it's not even a country song. But anyway, I thought, you know what, since the song is so popping, why not let's just make some country trap. Let's make some more. Like, the beat's kind of catchy, so I was like, you know what, I can make a beat that's kind of catchy, country-ish vibe. So I was like, you know what, let's do that. So I looked up a few samples of like country guitar melodies and stuff like that, and found some good ones. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that. Oh yeah, if you like the video, don't forget, leave a like. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Tell them my Docs Gang, you know what I'm saying. Tell them about the gang, and comment on videos you do in the future in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, of course, and turn on post notifications. And yeah, let's get into this, shall we? I don't know. Oh yeah, let me get my headphones. I can't actually see, so let me actually put my glasses on as well. Alright, you guys, so we got our samples. I forgot to download them, so I had to download them real quick. So I just cut them up and got the exact parts that I want from the sample instead of like going through the whole thing. So I just have them right there. All the samples there. Like, so like the first two, they're kind of like not exactly country, but like they're guitar samples. But I mean, it gets the kind of country. They're weird, but they sound really cool. The second two are very evident that they're country, but I mean, yeah, let's just go through them. So the first one I got is this one. So for the sake of the video, just because it sounds super country, I like the last one, so I'm probably gonna use the last one. This one that I just chose. Probably gonna choose that one just because it sounds the most country. My favorite one, particularly, is this one, because that just sounds so nice. I could do so many things. I might use both. We might just make 2 beats in this video, honestly. Let's just start it off. Okay, so let's just start off with the really country one. All right, so let's stretch this so that actually no, let's not get rid of these just yet. Probably, I'm gonna bring them all the way down here, make them completely inaudible. All right, let's stretch these first, because I'm gonna re-stretch this. Let's stretch. I can just do this, right? Let's actually do markers. Re-stretch it to about here, so it's just 2 bars worth of stuff. And I might have just cut that off, honestly, because like, it's just pissing me off. Actually, no. Okay, so I made this mistake last time. I need to find the loop first. That's the loop that I want, okay? So that one loops perfectly. Alright, so now I just need to cut that off. exactly at that point if I could manage to do that. Oh, wrong. Alright, now let's get this, stretch this, since that's the perfect loop. You want to stretch it, and I think it should be okay with this one. I don't know. We'll see. Kind of low, so let's pitch that up. That is way too low. For channel settings, pitch this up. I need to record this in Edison. Come on, just this. No, take your time. It's cool. Just take your time. It's not like I got something to do. It's not like I got a video recorder or anything. Just take your time. All right, there we go. We got our perfect loop. So here's what it. Here we go. All right, perfect. Okay, so now, actually, I just want to see what this sounds like. What it.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
No, no, don't stretch, don't. Please stop. Oh my God, it's really doing that.
You mad. Look at you. You mad.
And it completely ruined, and now FL Studios. Okay, after all of that unnecessary stretching, we have finally figured it out. So what I did, I just recorded this or I rendered like the sample, and then I made it so that it's only this section of like the overall sample that's playing instead of the whole thing, and then re-stretching and all that stuff. So if I stretch, it's not gonna take 10 hours to re-stretch. So yeah, it's just gonna be fine. So now what I need to do is probably EQ the sound. So first of all, let's figure out what sound it actually is. So country sample 1. We can get rid of all this other crap except country sample 1. All right, so wait, oh yeah, let me EQ it. So I'm gonna put this, let me EQ it. Probably add some reverb too. All right, cool. Now, I'm just gonna add drums. Like I would add like melody, kind of melody and all that stuff, but I just, whatever, I don't care. Let's add some drums. I'm just feeling the drums right now. Now, we're trying to make this trap, right? So, what's the best trap 808? Oh yeah, the spins. So let's whip it out. All right, spins, where you at? Okay, now, actually let me detect pitch regions real quick. Yeah, detect pitch regions, come on. All right, what notes do we have? We have D, A. All right, cool. So those are our notes. I'm gonna add this to a ghost channel real quick. None. All right. Now let's go to, all right. Let's get this 808 pattern going. Okay, let's slow your roll there. Come on, cut yourself. I mean itself. Wow, that was kind of. All right, moving on. Alright. Let's add the kicks now. Let's add the kicks because this is already hard. Like, but wait, the kicks are. I can't. I'm sorry. I cannot hear the kicks. Can you? I know you can't. So let's fix that. Let's fix that. Alright, let's not waste time. Let's add this hi-hat now. Slow it down a little bit, yeah. I'm speechless. I don't know what else to say. Like, well, let's get her done, partner. I'm getting a little too hyped for this, but like, yo, I know there's more we could add to this, so we're gonna continue. First of all, I'm just gonna keep the hi-hats exactly how they are. I was thinking of changing them, but I don't know. This fits too well. This is just too perfect. The hi-hats are too perfect right now, so I'm just gonna keep them the way they are. And I'm gonna layer the snare with the clap. I feel like that would be appropriate as well, so let's do that. Let's find a nice clap. All right. Now I'm just gonna add some more perks and then probably mix it, and I'm gonna be done because this is really nice. I could add some. I might think of adding some stuff to the melody, but yeah, I don't know. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna add a guitar melody and Omnisphere, and then I'm done. That's it. No more. Nothing else. Hold on. Let me save this before I open Omnisphere because I know Omnisphere likes to do some things. All right. Almost done with Omnisphere. Just wait a second. Just wait. Hold on.
Many months later.
And there you guys have it. There is the beat all done, ready to go. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did. Like, that was a lot better than I expected. Yeah, so wow, I really enjoyed that. If you guys like the video, don't forget to leave a like, share, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and don't forget to turn on post notifications after you subscribe. This beat was very, very, very fun to make. You should go try it yourself. Go get a country guitar sampler or something and put something together because that was fire. So hope you guys enjoyed it once again. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.